Hello from King Rollers. Here I'm going to show you how to roll cigarettes with the Deuce Roller. For those wondering, the Deuce works even better for rolling joints and blunts. Start with the roller in front of you, with the King Rollers logo facing you, and the adjustment thumb screw on the right side. To adjust the diameter, turn the thumb screw on the right side of the roller about a quarter of a turn counterclockwise. You can then slide the thumb screw up or down. There are marks set at roughly 10, 12, and 15 millimeters. These are not exact, as the diameter will also depend on the amount of cannabis or tobacco and your rolling style. Once selected, turn the thumb screw clockwise until it is hand tight. To start your roll, first slide the rolling rod that is closest to you, upwards and towards you. This opens the pocket to which you evenly add your tobacco or cannabis. If you like, add a filter or crutch to one end. Close the pocket by sliding the rolling rod up and away from you towards the back roller. Slowly turn both rollers towards you by pushing down with your thumbs on the front roller. Apply a little back pressure on the rear roller with your forefingers, but allow it to turn towards you as well. Spin the rollers a few times to shape the roll before adding the rolling paper. Place the edge of the paper between the two rollers with the gum side up and facing you. Then roll the rollers as before until the gum edge is all that is showing. Gently wet the paper and continue rolling. Open the pocket and there you go.